Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you the trick to quickly leveling your throwing skill inside of Abiotic Factor. So find yourself a wall somewhere in like a hallway like this, so you can throw your net and it doesn't get very far away from you. And then make like a stack of like 15 of these throwing nets that are just made from random cloth scrap. And then just start spam clicking and spamming E at the same time to throw a net and pick it back up. And you don't get a lot of experience per throw, so it helps to have like a starter ability like the Wrinkly Brain Meat when you first start the game, which gives you a bonus to all your experience gains no matter what it's from. So quickly, and just to show you, I'm like halfway through the throwing skill right now, you can very quickly go from 3, in my case, to level 4 within a very short span of time by just spam clicking at the same time. Now, it should be noted that this will eat all your stamina, but it doesn't really matter because I assume that when you're going to go level this, you don't need to run off somewhere or fight anything, so being out of stamina isn't going to necessarily negatively impact you to any great extent. And it's not the most exciting thing to level, but normally if you were going to casually level this ability throughout the game, you would have to throw grenades or throwing darts and other weapons that they just added with the Dark Energy update, which is kind of nice, having more options for throwing. But if you don't really like using a lot of those weapons, or you just aren't interested at all, then instead you can just do this. Just sit down, focus power level, and then very quickly, in like, I want to say the span of like 5-10 minutes working on this video, I've gotten, you know, up to level 5 almost in a very short period of time. So that's really all you gotta do to level up this ability. And then you can eventually get to throwing level 15, where you get the ability to stagger all enemies when you start to throw a bunch of crap at them. And since you can throw really fast once you get higher level, it makes it super easy for you to just spam click and kill things. Like previously, the most dangerous broken weapon in the game to kill basically any boss used to be the rubber band ball. It might still be. I'm still leveling up my throwing to try it again this go round. But yeah, it was pretty OP in the past, so give it a shot. This is how you quickly level it. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.